While most real estate brokerages throughout the country are scrambling to figure out how to pay agents and throwing together training materials, eXp Realty, Kevin Kaufman, just continues to add more and more training onto our training calendar.
Absolutely. Love this this new initiative with the eXcel series brought to us by eXp Realty, which has been a lot of fun to see some of these new classes and speakers pop up into our weekly, already very robust training schedule.
Yeah, the Excel series it's really content designed for any market, but there's some classes that have been released specific to what to do in today's market amidst all of the changes, coronavirus, social distancing, limiting of certain things in our market. So it's pretty cool to see just the company come together. I think we're closing in some weeks on 60 and 70 hours worth of live training in eXp. These classes aren't filled with like 3 people in them either. You and I have been to some classes recently and taught a few where there's literally 75, 175, 200 plus people in some of these rooms. So it's pretty exciting to watch. If you're out there, maybe at another brokerage right now, and you've always kind of said, I hear all this about eXp training, but I don't really know what it's all about. Like, we could actually offer you a pretty cool thing if you'd like a free guest pass into eXp world, right?
Yeah, and in fact, the guest pass now, which we can always get you, is now 60 days during this time. So if you want a 60-day guest pass to eXp World to experience the training, let us know. We can help you out with that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I think now more than ever, it's time that we all unite across different brokerages. And so that's what eXp is doing. We're opening up our training platform for other people to take advantage of the robust training and the very timely now training. And if you'd like more information, reach out to us directly, comment below. We'd be happy to get you a guest pass so you can come check out all the exciting training at eXp. Thanks for joining us. He's Kevin Kaufman. I'm Fred Weaver. We're happy to answer any of your questions about eXp Realty, and we appreciate you listening.
Talk to you soon, guys.